Hello and welcome to the Lost Pines Workshop. I'm JC Jensen. So I've been out on the road for the last 45 days on and off. Hit about 10 states and approximately roughly 6,000 miles. So I'm excited and happy to be back home and in the shop. Don't have any trips planned, major trips planned for the rest of the year, so we can get back to it. Wanted to shout out, as they say, to the now 400 and something subscribers. Thank you. Hopefully, well, you've obviously seen one video that I've made that you enjoyed, that you found it worthwhile to subscribe. Now I'm going to ask you, because a lot of the recent subscribers have found me via the How to Read a Tape Measure. My beginning woodworking series is on my page. You can check out some of the other videos that I've done for that. But now I'm going to ask you, you subscribed perhaps from the How to Read a Tape Measure. I'm asking you, what can I help you with? I can sit in here and make up stuff all day. I know where I was as a beginner. I know where I was as a teacher and how to teach. But I would like to address your questions directly and create some content or some videos that will directly help you with whatever your questions are. So please, down in the comments, leave me a comment. Hey, how do I do this, or how do I do that, or how do I fix this, or how do I fix that? Enable me to help you. All right, thanks. We'll see you down the road.